This is the installation guide for your myWall Work1 unit. Prior to installation, you will need a few tools: level, tape measure, stud finder, drill, pencil, and your choice of wall mounting hardware dependent on the surface you will be mounting the myWall on. Ensure that all parts are included for your myWall installation. Lay your myWall panels face down on a clean floor. Place both top and bottom sections next to each other, top to bottom. The top section has the cutouts for the French cleat mounting at the top. The bottom panel has a lower open section at the bottom. Attach the two connector blocks to fasten the top and bottom of each myWall panel together. If you are installing multiple panels, be sure not to mix panel parts. Locate metal or wood stud locations on the wall used for mounting. Make sure you check for plumbing or electrical locations within the wall. Hold the French cleat onto the wall at a height of 83.5 inches from the floor to the bottom of the cleat. Make sure the cleat is level and mark the holes for mounting with a pencil. Secure the French cleat to the wall with your desired mounting hardware. Never have the cleat mounting to only drywall. Always have it mount direct to a stud or into concrete, and make sure your cleat mounts level. Lift and hang your panel onto the French cleat. Attach the safety locking plate to either the left or right side of the myWall panel with the two screws provided. Only one locking plate is needed per myWall panel. Attach the end caps to each side of the myWall panel with the supplied screws. Now attach your accessories as you want them and enjoy.